Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're going to be talking about how you can disable the new channel visibility when sharing feature when you share links from your phone when you're on YouTube. When you're on a random video and you want to share it, normally you just tap the share button and then you can just share by hitting copy link or sending it to somebody. But now they have a feature where you can send as a specific person and it'll share your channel. Now, depending on who you are and how you've got your channel set up, some people have their real world name directly tied to their channel name, and they don't really want to share who they are and what their real world name is simply because they wanted to share a link on their phone. So to disable this, all you have to do is go back to your YouTube homepage where you can see all of your different suggested videos, and then go to your profile at the bottom of the screen that says you, and here you can go up to the top here and hit the little gear icon, and then inside of your settings panel you can go to privacy. And then here at the bottom of privacy you can say disable channel visibility for shared links by toggling off that little switch, and then it should be your settings are saved. Now if I go back to the home page and I go to one of those random videos and I go click share, it'll tell me that your channel won't be shared outside of YouTube unless you directly share with somebody else that you're friends with directly on YouTube. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you disable that feature on your mobile version of YouTube. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.